Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to create a pie chart for your Robinhood portfolio. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your portfolio or investing account. If you're using Robinhood strategies, open your Manage Portfolio from the Investing dashboard. Here you'll see several chart options at the top of the screen. Tap on the Portfolio Allocation Chart icon. This section displays your investments as a pie chart, making it easy to see how your portfolio is divided across different asset categories. The pie chart may include categories such as U.S. stocks, international stocks, U.S. bonds, cash, ETFs, or other investments depending on your portfolio. Tap on any section of the pie chart to view more details. You can see the percentage of your portfolio invested in that category, along with the individual securities it contains. Scroll down to view additional portfolio information, including your deposits or contributions and your current asset allocation. If you're using a managed retirement account, you'll see contributions instead of deposits. To compare your portfolio performance, return to the top of the page and switch between the available charts. You can view your overall portfolio return breakdown, and portfolio allocation. You can also change the time range by selecting options such as 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, or all, depending on what's available for your account. This allows you to review how your portfolio has performed over different periods. Keep in mind that the pie chart updates automatically as you buy, sell, or rebalance investments in your portfolio. Reviewing your portfolio allocation regularly can help you understand how your investments are distributed and whether they match your financial goals. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.